Well, there you have it. Not even construction equipment can bust open an ATM. Police say one brazen burglar stole this backhoe, then drove it 5 miles to a bank outside Washington, D.C. Security cameras captured the hilarious break-in attempt on camera. Watch as the thief uses the machine to pry open the ATM. It is literally smashed into pieces. While the crook wasn't able to make off with any money, cops say they did cause $10,000 worth of damage. Detectives believe this is the suspect in the bank heist. The same person responsible, they claim, for another ATM theft last year at a tobacco shop. Officers haven't revealed how they linked the crimes together. So far, just the ATM's been busted. For InsideEdition.com, I'm Lee Sheps.